Alright guys, I'm going to show you how to replace the old halogen bulbs on this Lexus with a set of new, much more powerful LED bulbs so that it will make your view of the road go from night to day. The tools that you will need for this job are just a flathead screwdriver and an optional clip removal tool for ease of removal. For those that don't need an in-depth install, here's a quick run through. To get to the bulb on the passenger side, remove this clip, lift the trim piece, and remove these two clips in order to move the air intake bracket to the side. On the driver's side, just remove this clip. For bulb removal, remove the wire harness, turn it a quarter turn counterclockwise and remove. To install is the reversal removal. So align to the same position as it was removed and rotate clockwise while pushing in, then connect the wire harness. If the bulb is not working, just flip the wire harness around and that's it. Alright, now for a more in-depth install. Starting on the passenger side, we need to start off by removing this plastic trim to the side in order to remove the clips of this air intake bracket below it. Now you can move the trim piece to the side so you can get to the two clips here. Wedge the flathead screwdriver in between the space on the clip and then pry up and pull out the rest of the way. After doing that, you can now move the air intake hose and bracket to the side so that there will be enough space to put your hand in to remove the bulb. I would recommend that you first disconnect the wire harness that's attached to the bulb by just pressing down on this plastic lever and pulling it out while the bulb is still in its housing. To remove the bulb, twist it counterclockwise a quarter turn until it's free from the locking mechanism, and then you'll be able to remove it. Take the new LED bulb and slide it into the housing first. Align the bulb in the same position that it was removed from, and then while pushing down, turn the bulb clockwise until it won't turn anymore. Now just plug in the wire harness until it clicks into place and then check to make sure that it's working. On the driver's side, all you need to do is remove this plastic clip in order to get better access. Start off first by removing the wire harness by pressing down on this plastic lever and pulling down. Rotate counterclockwise a quarter turn and remove. Take the new LED bulb and place it into the housing, aligning it into the same position that it was removed from. And then while pushing down, turn the bulb clockwise until it won't turn anymore, just like the passenger side. Check to make sure that it's secure, and then all you need to do is plug in the wire harness and turn on the lights to check and see if they work. Now in this case, the driver's side bulb is not working, so for this it's a quick fix. All you need to do is first turn off the headlight and then just flip the wire harness around. Make sure that you push the wire harness in all the way, turn on the headlights again, and now the bulb should be working. Installation is basically the reverse of removal. Start off by pressing the clip in on the driver's side, and then on the passenger side, align the bracket to the correct position. Insert the plastic clip in the open position and then push it in to secure it in place. Now do the same for the other one. Finally, push in the plastic clip to secure the trim piece in place, and that's it. So here are the before and after results that I took at night. It's literally a night and day difference from those old halogen bulbs that were on there before. For the clip on the left with the halogen bulbs, I actually forgot that I left the fog lights on as well, and even then it does not come close to the light output as the LED lights on the right side without the fog lights on. So I hope you guys found this video helpful and informational. If you did, consider liking and subscribing. And again, the links for the LED bulb that I used as well as the tools that I used, I will link that in the description below.